In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export orders from Woocommerce in just 5 minutes. This process is essential for anyone running an online store as it allows you to manage your orders easily and create backups when necessary. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to WordPress.com. This is the hub for managing your website if it's hosted through WordPress, and you'll need to be logged in to access your site's dashboard. So, head over to WordPress.com and click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you should be directed to your WordPress dashboard. If you're not automatically taken there, simply click on the dashboard link. The dashboard is where you control the core components of your site, including the configuration of plugins. Next, locate the Plugins option in the menu on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Plugins are essential tools for adding functionality to your WordPress site, and they can do everything from improving security measures to aiding in order management, which we'll focus on today. In the Plugins section, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to a page where you can search for new plugins to enhance your website's functionality. In the search bar, type in Advanced Order Export for Woocommerce. This particular plugin is a popular choice because it simplifies the process of exporting your Woocommerce orders into various file formats. Once you find the Advanced Order Export for Woocommerce plugin in the search results, click on it to see more details. This will bring you to a page where you get an overview of the plugin's features and capabilities. If it looks good to you, go ahead and click on the Install Now button. Don't worry if the installation takes a few moments. That's perfectly normal. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the option to activate the plugin. Click on Activate to enable it. Activation is necessary for the plugin to function on your site, turning its features from dormant to operational. With the plugin now active on your site, you have all the tools you need to export your Woocommerce orders. This can be especially helpful for bookkeeping, analysis, or simply keeping records. And there you have it. You've successfully added a powerful tool to your WordPress site that makes managing your Woocommerce orders a breeze. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Goodbye, and happy exporting!